Hi there, Badgers. So this is a follow-up activity to Miss Humphreys telling the time activity she posted on the YouTube channel on Monday. This is just to build on some of your counting and your adding skills using the clock. And these skills, these counting and add skills, help you to tell the time quicker, but also just to be able to understand that time quicker and manage your own time when you're a little bit older. Well, now when you're a little bit older. So obviously I've got a clock face here. It says number 1s to 60. So why 60? Have a little think in your head now. Why would I be doing number 1s to 60? There's 12 hours on the clock, so why 60? Well, some of you may have already said, if you have, well done. There are 60 minutes, let's put M for now, in 1 hour. So every time the hand goes right the way around, it's gone round 60 minutes, okay? Another way we can look at that is for each, because our 5 times table comes in handy here, and we can look at that by saying for each hour, okay, we can count up 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, count with me, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 57, 58, 59, 60. Every time the hand goes round 1 hour, it's 60 minutes, okay? Because there's 60 minutes in an hour. So what becomes really helpful when telling the time is to know your number 1s to 60, particularly in 5s, but also in 1s too. But we'll start with 5s. So for example, someone tells me, okay, it's 20 past 5. So I'm just going to do my long arm there to show the minutes hand, okay? The minutes hand there is pointing to 20. So I know that there's 20 minutes gone in the hour. So in my head then, I need to do a calculation. Well, how many minutes have I got left? For example, say I'm down the trampoline park and I'm thinking I've got an hour to be here, okay? So when someone I run up and I ask them, well, how long's gone? And they say, oh, there's 20 minutes gone of the hour. So in my head then, I'm thinking, well, how long have I got left? Okay, so if I know 20 minutes have gone, how many minutes do I have left? Well, it's whatever adds to 60. So I need to work that out. So one way to do that is I can then count on, so I've got 20 there, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I know I've got 40 minutes left. Phew, still got plenty of time to play in the trampoline park. Okay, but what if there was 35 minutes gone? I'll do another big hand. Okay, say there's 35 minutes gone. How many minutes would I have left if I'm at that trampoline park? I'm starting to get quite tired actually after 35 minutes. Well, actually 5 minutes for me, but I'm sure you would be starting to get tired after 35 minutes. So how long have I got left of my hour in the trampoline park? Well, I can use my clock face here and go 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I'd have 25 minutes left. Okay, so we could do count up in 5s or to 10s there. We've got number 1s to 10s and 5s to get to 60, but we can also go up in 1s. It gets a bit more challenging when we think about 1s. So let's say I ask someone how long's gone of my time in the trampoline park, and they say it's 12 minutes. So 10, 11, 12 would be there. Okay, so the first thing I want to do then is I want to work out how long I have left of my 60. Well, I find the best way to do this is to bridge to the next 5. So if we've got 12 there, we're going to go 1, 2, 3 minutes to get to 15. Okay, so 3 minutes to get to 15. So I'm just going to circle 3 there. But once I'm at 15, I can count on in my 5s again to 60. So I can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and add my 3. Okay, so I start off at 12. I added 1, 2, 3 to get to 15, and then I counted at what was left in 5s. So 45 at 3 is 48. You may need to watch that little bit of the video again, okay, to see how I've done that, okay? But I've counted on from 12 to 15, and then the rest in 5s, and that's given me 48. So 12 at 48 would give me 60. I'll give you another example. What if my hand was pointing at 42. So 42 minutes have gone of my session, okay? So I want to work out in my head how many minutes I've got left to 60, okay? So I can go 1, 2, 3 gets me to 45. So I'm just going to put 3 there. I've jumped to my next 5. And then I'm going to jump onto 60 and 5. So 5, 10, 15. And then come back and add the 3. Okay, so 15 and 3 would be 18. Let me show you that in a sum. So 42 minutes had gone. I wanted to work out how long I had left to get to 60 minutes. It's 1, 2, 3 to 45, and then 5, 10, 15. So 3 at 15 would give me 18 minutes left. So what I want you to do is I'm going to give you an attached worksheet on Dojo, and it'll be on the school website to complete with number bonds to 60. Draw your own clock face, put the hours on the inside, the minutes on the outside, and that will help you. It's a bit like a number line, a round number line, to help you with your number bonds to 60. Any questions, get in touch with your teacher and we'll be more than happy to help. Happy mathsing.